In this video, I want to demonstrate how to configure dynamic virtual tunnel interfaces for hub and spoke networks using IPSEC. R1 is our hub and R2 and R3 are our spokes. R1 will dynamically create new tunnel interfaces when a new spoke site is added. There will be no communication between R2 and R3, so everything needs to go via the hub. So yeah, we've got 3 routers. This is R1. I will start by creating part of the IPSEC tunnel. So we'll create an IKEv1 policy first. I'll call this policy 7. Let's give it yeah, SHA-1 will do. Encryption AES group 5 lifetime 86400. Authentication will be pre-shared key. Next, we're going to have to create a IKEv1 keyring, or just a keyring. That will need to go into the IKEv1 profile. So crypto keyring. We'll call this my key. It's going to be a pre-shared key with the address. Yeah, we'll assume the spoke sites have fixed IPs. So this will be 2.0.0.2, and the key is going to be Cisco 123. And we'll change that to that. That's all we need. That. Next, we need to create the IKEv1 profile. We'll call this my IKEv1 profile. Okay, we need a match identity statement. We'll do this via the IP address, so it's 2.0.0.2, and we need 3 as well. We'll put this in a virtual template 1, which will be created in a bit, and keyring is going to be my dash key. Okay, so now let's create the transform set. Crypto IPSEC transform set. What's T form ESP dash SHA dash that AES. We don't need to change the mode. We should be okay. Next, we need to create the IPSEC profile. We're going to set the transform set, and we're also going to call upon the IKEv1 profile that we created. KMP-profile. Okay, so that should be it for the IPSEC stuff. Now we need to create a virtual template number 1, which refers back to that number 1 we put in the config before. Type is going to be tunnel. We're going to borrow the IP address from loopback 0. The tunnel source is going to be our WAN interface. Tunnel mode is going to be IPSEC IPv4. Tunnel protection IPSEC profile is my dash IPSEC dash profile. Okay. So now let's do some routing. .1.0 let's just make sure that that is okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. I'm going to do some copy and paste in here. I'll bring up my notepad and paste that in. We don't need that. We don't need that. And we won't need that. Okay. So yeah, I'm just doing the routing right now. Hopefully we'll get something. Oh yeah, tunnel interface. Okay, so this is going to be a point-to-point interface. IP unnumbered. We'll borrow that from there. Tunnel source. Destination is going to be 1.0.0.2. Tunnel mode is IPSEC, IPv4, and tunnel protection is IPSEC profile my-IPSEC profile. Let's see what happens now. Virtual interface down. Oh. Yeah, so this is the dynamic interfaces that it's creating. At the moment, as you can see, there's something wrong. Oh, here we go. Yeah, EIGRP has formed a neighbor relationship. So yeah, that just took a while. There we go. So we can do the same thing on R3. We can take this. Paste it in there. You need to create the password or the pre-shared key. Which is going to be that. And now we need to create the tunnel. Let's do the routing. .192.168.3.0 and 3.3.3.3. IP unnumbered. Tunnel source is that. Tunnel destination is that. Tunnel mode is IPsec IPv4. Protection IPsec profile is my-IPsec profile. There we go. We've got a neighbor adjacency. And these are two virtual access tunnels. So these are being dynamically created. So we're using EIGRP. Yeah, and let's send us the next hop is R1. Let's do a ping. Yep, that's going through. else is there? That's our tunnel, our IKEv1 tunnel, and we have packets being encrypted and decrypted. I think that is about it. Not sure what else there is to show. We're learning routes. It's all good. Yep, that's about it. Thank you for watching.